Welcome back to Mind Pump TV. I'm your host, Serene Wilkin. In this video, I'm going to take you through a bicep and tricep workout that is designed to help you build muscle. Now, if you guys are really serious about getting those defined arms, make sure you check out one of our free guides, how to get rid of flabby arms. First exercise we're going to do for the biceps is a compound movement. We're going to do a banded assisted chin up. So go ahead and take a band at the top of a pull-up bar if you guys have one, and then you're going to go ahead and bring the band down. You want to pull it so that it just wraps around your knee, just like that. Now you can always do your foot as well, but that would give you more stretch on the band and create a little bit more bounce for some of you. So I like the knee placement a little bit better. You're going to take a supinated grip here. And remember, we're going to be working on our biceps. So traditionally this exercise is for the back. For your biceps, let your shoulders come forward a little bit more. So when you're performing the exercise, you're not really squeezing the rhomboids or the shoulder blades too much. So you want to do a full extension, coming all the way up to the top and lower back down with control, just like that. Now the goal of this workout is to really show you how to build muscle with free weights and get stronger over time. This exercise is the Zottman curl, so it really helps you build your forearm strength as well. And as you start picking up heavier weights, you're going to need that strength. So first you want to start pulling your shoulders back, core is nice and tight. You're going to go ahead and rotate the dumbbells as you come up. Then you're going to go ahead, pronate, and come on back down. So right here, I'm going to supinate, and then I'm going to pronate. So this coming down here is more forearm strength, and then the supination is also part of the biceps, and coming back just like that. Keep your elbows close to your body and all the way up, full extension as you come back down to the bottom. Next exercise is going to be your bicep in more of a stretch position, and you're going to be on an incline bench here for a bicep curl. So when you set up for this exercise, you want to make sure when you're down, your shoulders are pinned back here, and then your arms are reaching long, palms face forward. Most of the time, people kind of roll their shoulders here, so really make sure that's pinched back. You can rest your head or have it forward. It's completely up to you and your comfort, but long arms here. Again, we are curling the arms up, focusing on isolating the bicep, squeezing at the top, and then coming back down. Make sure you're not swinging the arms throughout. You keep those arms really, really long and then bending just to the elbow all the way up and all the way down. So you can exhale, really focusing on that stretch position at the bottom and squeezing at the top. Great exercise to really feel the full range of motion in the bicep. First exercise for your triceps is a compound movement. Now this can be isolated more in the tricep area. I'm going to show you a couple tricks to do that. Setting up with the bench here for my dips, I'm going to go ahead and get my feet hip distance apart, pressing first into my hands here, getting really long in the arms. So feeling that full extension here of the arms. Now as you lower, make sure your shoulders stay back, back, back. They're not rolling forward. And then as you press up, full extension at the top. What I like to do is actually press my hands into the bench so I get more of this length between my shoulder and my ears. I'm not kind of sinking down here and starting the exercise. So I want to make sure I have that first, and going down as I inhale, elbows go back, full range, and press all the way up. Another thing to note is if you travel away from the bench as you're lowering, you want to keep your body really close to the bench. You can progress this by taking the legs out and lowering down and pressing up, just like that. Next exercise is skull crushers. With these, you want to make sure that you're holding the dumbbells a little bit lower, just to make sure your wrists stay nice and straight throughout the exercise. Come on back down. You are going to bring your elbows in front of your body this time, and really start with nice straight arms and shoulders retracted. From here, you're going to bend the elbows, keeping the elbows where they are out in space, lowering the weights down by your face. Exhale, drive them back up. Now, a common thing that happens when you're holding weights like this, it feels a little bit foreign, is that our elbows kind of sway back and forth as we extend and bend. So making sure that you have that nice lock position of your shoulders, you're going to go ahead and just extend from here and bend right back. And extend, full extension and bend as much as you can. Really feeling that full range of motion here. And extend and bend. All right, you guys, last exercise is going to be an overhead tricep extension. You're going to bring your arms over like this. So bringing the weight around, go ahead and hold it with your hands like this. Split stance is fine. I want you guys to engage your core. You're going to start at the bottom of the exercise here, so fully bending your elbows, pulling them back by your head. Then you're just going to go ahead and extend the weight up and bend back down, just like that. Now, another key thing to think about here is not swinging your arms forward as you perform that exercise. One, you might knock your head. Second, you want to make sure you're getting that full extension at the top and not kind of cheating yourself halfway down. Inhale and exhale. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And if you'd like more information, we wrote a very specific guide talking about all these details about getting defined arms. It's called How to Get Rid of Flabby Arms. Check it out. It's completely free. And you guys will find out more. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.